Welcome back to our channel Stay to Take. Today we are discussing about that progressions chapter only. Progressions. Right? See, A2 is equal to 4, A4 is equal to 16. Then find A20 comma A35. Okay na? A2 is equal to 4, A4 is equal to 8. Then find A20 and A35th term. Okay na? Right, see here, you know already I told in that general series. In that, what is the general series amma? A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D up to so on. Right? In this, you know already A means what andi? First term. Okay na? Then A plus D means second term. Okay na? Then A plus 2D means third term. Right? Then A plus 3D means fourth term. And you can observe here, so whenever we are writing the term, second term means A plus 1D only. D will decreases. Okay, A be the constant, but D be the decrease. Second term means 1D. Then goes to third term means 2D. A constant. Okay, now and go to fourth term means 3D. Then fifth term means A plus 4D. Okay, now then A plus then 20 term means A plus 19D. D will be decreased now. And let us see here A2 given. A2 means second term no. Then A2 means what only? A2 is equal to A plus D. Okay, now second term C. What is that? A plus D is equal to how much given? 4. Okay, na? Right. Next A4. Okay, na? A4 means A constant andi. A plus. Okay, na? Then D will decreases andi. 3D. 4 means 3D. Then A plus 3D is equal to how much given amma? 16. Okay na? Right. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2 only. Right, from 2 and 1. Okay na? Right. What is 2? This only A plus 3D is equal to 16. Okay na? And what is first only? A plus D is equal to 4. Right, solving here place, you know already here plus means you keep minus, here plus means you keep minus, plus means minus amma. Okay na? Then see, A gets cancels, then remaining 3D minus D means 2D is equal to 16 minus 4 amma, 12. Okay na? Right? So from this 2D is equals to 12, then D is equals to 12 by 2 amma. Okay na? Then cut it, 2 ones are 2 6 are, then D is equal to 6. Okay na? You know A is equal to, okay na? A is equals to, you have to finding here amma. Then you know D value, substitute D value in this equation number 1 or 2, then we get A value only. Let's see, I am substituting D is equals to 6 sub in 1. Okay na? Let's see, what is 1? A plus D is equal to 4 amma. Okay na? Right, then A write on highest is D, you know already, D means what amma? 6 is equal to 4. Right? So then A is equal to what amma? 4 minus 6, that is equals to minus 2. Right, now you know A value and D value, then we can automatically finding these two values. Let us see, it's very simple. See, what is that? 820 amma. 820 is equals to, 820 is nothing but what only? A plus 19D. Already I said just before. Okay na? 820 is equals to A plus 19D. Let's see, You know already a means what amma? Minus 2 plus 19 into d means 6 అండి. ఓకేనా? And then minus 2 plus 19 6 are 114. ఓకేనా? Let's see 114 minus 2 means 112. So this is the A20th term. ఓకేనా? Next 35th term amma. A35 is nothing but A plus of 34D. Okay na? Right? Substitute A is equals to minus 2 plus 34 into D means 6 amma. Okay, right, now multiply 34 into 6. See, 6 was 24, 6 is 18 plus 2 20. 204 amma. The minus 2 plus 204 is equals to 202 అండి. This is A35. Okay na? Right? So now we have to finding another method also. So what is A20? A plus of n minus 1 into D formula we have to finding another method also. Then first we have to finding the A1. Okay na? Then A2, A3. Then we have to find that A plus of n minus D formula. But it is very simple. Then first we have to know about this series. Okay na? You know about this series, then automatically we have to finding these values. Okay na? Right, so this is the answer for A20th term and A35th term amma. It is important for 2 marks andi. Right, next another question amma. See 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to so on is 200. Then find nth term amma. Right, it is important also. See, so from this side write down A1 is equal to 2 andi, A2 is equal to 4, A3 is equal to 6, like this. Then you know what is the formula of D? D means A2 minus A1 amma. What is A2? 4 minus A1 2, that is equal to 2 andi. Okay na? Right, you know the nth term formula. It is given is 200 amma. Is 200 is nothing but an. Right, then an is equal to how much andi? 200. Okay na? Then which is the term is 200, then we finding here amma. Nth term means which term is 200, then we have to finding here. Right, see, then an is equal to formula you know A plus of n minus 1 into D amma. Okay na? Right, substitute an 200. Okay na? Is equal to A means 2 plus of n, we have to finding that only amma here. Okay na? n minus 1, D means 2 amma. Okay na? Let's see, 200 is equals to 2 plus of n minus 1 into 2 amma. See here, this 2 multiplying with n minus 1 amma. Then 2 into n, 2n minus 2 ones are 2. Let's see, you go. Plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled amma. Right, which is remaining 200 is equals to 2n. Okay na? Then see, n is equals to 200 by 2. So cancel it, 2 ones are 2. Okay na? Then remaining 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Then is equals to how much andi? 200. It means the 200 is the 100th term of the given series amma. Okay na? N is equal to 100 means nth term is 100, which is 200 amma. Okay na? So 200 is the 100th term of given series. Okay na? Right, next CMD. It is important. How many 3-digit numbers? How many 3-digit numbers can be divisible by 6 amma? Okay na? Let's see here how many 3-digit numbers can be divisible by 6. So first we have to do what is the biggest 3-digit number and what is the smallest 3-digit number amma. Let's see, I am writing here greatest 3-digit number is equals to 999 amma. Okay na? Next smallest 3-digit number is equals to 100 only. Okay na? So first you have to divisible by 6 with these two numbers only. Okay na? Then automatically how many of them divisible it can be known. Let us do. I am taking first the smallest number amma, 100. It is divisible by 6. See, 6 table, 6 on the 6 amma. Okay na? Then 100 minus 10 minus 6 4, remaining 0. Okay na? Then 6 6 36. Okay na? Right? Then how much remaining amma? 4. Right? So remaining 4. Right, so from the smallest number we have to finding the first number amma. Okay na? From this greatest number we have to finding the last term. It means which is divisible by 6 now, that is last term. Okay na? From this greatest. Smallest means first term. Let's see, from this I am doing like this. See, then 100 plus of 6 minus 4 amma. 6 minus 4 is equal to 100 plus of 6 minus 4 means 2 only. Okay, right? 100 plus 2 means 102. So this is the first term to divisible with 6 amma. Let us check it once. 102 by 6. Then 6 on the 6. Okay, remaining 4. 42. 6 on the 42 amma. So that's why I can do like this amma. Right? The C 100 plus of 6 minus 4. Okay, then 100 plus 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 100 plus 2 is 102. This is A1. Okay. Right, see. Next, I take the greatest number amma, that is 999. Okay, divisible with 6. See, 6 on the 6. 3. Then down 9. Next 6 6 are 36. Remaining 3. Again we can down 9. And again 6 6 are 36. Okay, that is remaining 3 amma. Right? So from this greatest number we have to subtract 3 amma. Then we can get the last value. Okay, which is divisible by 6. Let's see, simply I am doing here 999 minus 3 amma. 999 minus 3 means 996. 996. This is the last term only. Let's see, once you check it either it is divisible by 6 or not. 996 by 6 only. See, 6 on the 6. Remaining 3. Okay now. Then how much amma? 39. Then 6 is the 36. How much? Remaining 3. Then 36. Then 6 is the 36 only. Okay now. It is perfectly divisible with 6. This is the last term. This is AN amma. AN is equal to 996. Okay. Let's see. Let us write down. Then A1 means how much amma? 102. A1 is equal to 102. Right? So now we are doing here divisible by 6 now. Then we can assume D is equal to 6 only. Okay now. We can assume D is equal to 6. Okay now. This 6 is added to every number amma. Okay, let's see. Then A1 is equal to 102 only. Okay now. Then A2 is equal to what amma? A plus D now. Formula. A plus D. What is A? 102 plus D means 6. That is 108. Okay now. Next, A3 is equal to A plus 2D only. Then A means 102 plus 2D means 2 into 6 amma. Then 102 plus 2 6 are 12. That is 120. sorry 114, that is A3. Okay na, right? Let us write down that A1 102 comma 108 comma 114 comma, then we have to add next 6 120 comma up to so on. The greatest number is an is equal to 996 which is which is got it just now, that is 996 up to 996 right? So from this you write down like this, A1 is equal to 102, you know already D is equal to 6 and just now you find it, D is equal to 6, you can assume no, then see that prove it, 108 minus 102 is 6 only. Okay now, then an means 996 okay na, you know the formula already, an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d is the formula. To substitute it, an is equal to 996 is equal to a means 102 plus of n means you have to find out in that only, that n minus 1 into d means 600. Okay na, right? 996 is equal to 102 plus of multiply 6 with n minus 1 then see 6 into n is 6n, okay, minus 6 on the 6, okay na, zoom check koncham, right? Next 996 is equal to 102 minus 6 andi, how much 102 minus 6 means 96 plus 6n, okay na, this 96 transfers to LHS, it becomes minus no, then 996 minus 96 is equal to 6n then you know 996 minus 96 is 900 is equal to 6n, okay na, right? See, then 6n is equal to 900, okay na, then n is equal to how much 900 by 6, see, cut it, 6 on the 6, remaining 3 you have, then 30 and 6 by the 30, then 0 is 0, therefore n is equal to 150 right? So this is this much of numbers, okay now, then n is equal to 150 numbers, I have to divisible by 6, okay now, with that 3 digit numbers okay now. So this is the answer andi, just write one trick andi. So see, that is very simple, right? See, then what is that and what is greatest number so 999, okay na, minus what is smallest number 100, okay na, by which can be divisible, this question is given 6 no, then divide 600 and let us do it, 899, okay na, by 6, okay na, right? See, cut it, 6 on the 6, remaining 2 29, okay na, 6 for the 24, remaining 5, okay na, 59, 6 8 the 48, 6 9 the 54 remaining you have 4 40, okay na, then 6 6 the 36, and you can write down 149.6 149.6 is nothing but 150 only now. Therefore, this is the simple way to finding this, how many numbers divisible by 3 digits by 6 okay, this is simple method, this is long method So in 10th class you have 4 marks for this question, you have to do like this only, in comparative you have to write like this So okay, so this is the problem, it is important for 4 marks.